pumunta siya dito, sabi niya kalok-alike niya daw si Jordan Clarkson.
Yes.
May dumating, kalok-alike mo naman daw siya.
Sino?
Pasok!
Ayan, kalok-alike mo!
Ayan! Asa yung bola?
Yung bola, bigyan mo yung bola. Nasa yung bola.
Ito.
Ayan, yung bola.
Ayan.
Bigyan mo sa kanya yung bola. Bigyan mo sa kanya. Kailangan depensahan mo, ha? Go.
May hinihingal na.
Hinihingal pala yung baklang kamyas, no? Mukha kang kamyas ngayon.
Kala ko naman si Slimer.
Sinusuportahan mo ba siya talaga?
Alam mo naman ako, mahilig ako sa basketball, ate.
Abasco.
When she learned that you would be here, she's thankful. Yeah. You say hi to him.
Hi. Nice meeting you.
I'm Jordan Clarkson.
And this is LeBron James.
What's your name?
LeBron.
LeBron James.
Hey, LeBron, are you single?
Super single. Super single, yeah. And I think I deserve it.
Super single. Okay. Thank you very much.
Maraming
Thank
salamat.
you.
Meet you again,
Thank you
LeBron
for
James.
She will wait for you there, ha? After the show daw. She wants to talk to you.
Ate, Vice Comedy Club, nandun po ako.
Uy,
Punta ka lang.
ganyan.
Dami namang
Salamat. Okay.
This is Jordan Clarkson, Filipino. Kaya marunong mag-Tagalog.
Yeah, we're very proud of Jordan because he represented the Philippines.
Yes, Gilas.
He became a member of Gilas Philippines.
Yeah.
Puso.
He left the NBA for a while to be part of the Philippine team.
To support.
That's so noble of you. Thank you very much.
And not only
Of
that,
course.
I know that you opened this carinderia in your place, di ba? Because of that hurricane, remember?
Yes, of course. I want to help the people. I cannot let the people suffer alone. So at least I like to help.
Yan eh.
Yeah, I like to help my community.
That's nice.
Thank you very much for not forgetting about the Filipinos. Yeah. What can you? So, would you like to greet your Filipino fans?
Of course. I love you all. Mahal kita, Filipinas.
Sino dyan yung mahal mo?
Actually, my mom is there.
Where's your mom?
Oh, your mom is here. Where's your mom?
You see the one there on the right?
On the right?
You go
Where's
left.
Left.
And then go right.
Left, right.
Go left and then go right.
Up, go down.
And then go up.
Yeah, and then she's there. She's buying hot dogs.
Nahilo na si Ryan.
Yeah.
Niloloko mo naman si Ryan.
Hindi.
Wala. Diyan niloloko ka lang ni Ryan.
Wala. Joke lang daw, Ryan.
Very funny.
Joker pala to si ano?
Joker. At alam mo na, pag Joker, di ba, hinahamon mo ng dribble yan, di ba?
Talaga ba?
Ikaw pinakamagaling sa basketball.
Dali lang.
May trauma ba yan? Bantayan mo.
May kalokalike din to.
Sino?
Ayun o.
Saan? Sino?
Si Joseph yan.
Natin si Joseph yan. Grabe ka naman.
Nalito na ako eh.
Grabe
Si Joseph
ka.
yan.
Pasensya ka na. Kumuha kayo ng straw.
Bakit?
Inumin ko lang yung tubig.
Hindi yan buko. Ay, Brad, alam ko na. Sino kalokalike niya?
Sino?
Ganito ka. Ganun mo.
Ayun. Haweg na haweg.
May problema ba tayo sa mga ganyang...
Wala! Bakit? May problema ka ba sa ganyan?
Papunta pa lang. Bakit? Magkakaproblema pa lang.
Sorry.
Huwag ka magalala,
Grabe ka.
hindi tayo abot doon.
Hindi tayo abot.
Yeah, okay. So...
Is that a real hair of yours?
Yeah, it's all right here.
It's very nice.
It's real.
That's real, oh.
Where did you have that Boracay?
No, not Boracay. I did it in the States.
Oh, in the States.
Before I came here on
What
the
do you
plane.
call that hairstyle?
Box braids.
What?
Box braids.
Box braids.
Box braids.
Braids.
Oh, di ba yun ang tawag
braids
mo sa
yun.
kanya? Si Braid.
Oh,
Bread yun.
bread.
Yeah. That's why our movie is titled And the Breadwinner is.
Showing in December.
Okay. So
Yeah.
how long you will be here in the Philippines?
Just maybe 2 weeks and then I'll go back. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
I have to get ready for the NBA. I have to play.
Have you spent the holidays in the Philippines yet? Have you tried spending like Christmas and New Year here?
Yeah. I was actually here last year, December.
Yeah.
I spent Christmas here in Boracay also.
Yeah.
You dance very well, ah. Where did you learn how to dance like that?
My parents teach me.
Thank you.
Kuya Ogie, di ba idol mo siya? Oo. Gusto mo siyang bantayan?
Gusto niya yan. Nasa yung bola.
Yeah, this is for the TikTok.
Yeah. Okay, you will defend. You have to
Yeah.
Be careful, ha?
defend the ball.
Be careful.
Don't let him get the ball, ha?
Okay, you be careful,
Super
ha?
defense, a hard defense.
Remember,
So hard defense.
remember, we have to be funny.
Oo, okay. Take care, ha, Kuya Ogie.
Okay, guard.
Okay. Go!
Lakas mo!
Grabe naman.
Grabe, di ba tumatama?
Hindi ka kasi marunong tumipensa.
Ay, bakit? Sino ba
Paano ba
marunong
dapat?
yung
Ang turuan.
Si Chan.
Ay, naku. Buti na lang hindi ako mahilig sa basketball, but you're good, ha?
You're
Very, very
good.
good.
Pero yung kapanahon mo, nagmamuse ka ng mga basketball for sure.
Oo, nag-miss ako dati sa Hinebra.
Talaga, PBA girl ka pala din.
Yeah.
Sino mga player nun, Chang?
Jaworski pa yun,
Matandaan,
Jack, di ba? Kaloy-loy Sagay.
Rudy Distrito.
Parang Crispa pa nga ata yun eh.
pa ba?
Oo. Ganun na katagal. But you're good, ha? Very good. Talented.
Of course, I play in the NBA.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.